In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a watch list in TradingView. First, let's open TradingView and bring up the watchlist panel. Head over to your browser and navigate to tradingview.com/chart, which will load up TradingView Supercharts. Once the page is open, take a look at the right toolbar. If the watchlist panel isn't already showing, click the icon labeled Watchlist, Details, and News. This will open up the side panel where your symbols will live. Confirm that the title at the top of this right-hand panel reads Watchlist, so you know you're in the correct view. Now it's time to upload the watchlist file. At the very top of the right side watchlist panel, click the word Watchlist to open the menu. A drop-down will appear with several options. From this drop-down, select Upload List, which is the option that lets you bring in symbols from a text file on your computer. A file picker window will open. Browse to the location where your watchlist file is saved and select your preferred file. In this example, the file is called TradingView Import Watchlist.txt. Once you've highlighted the correct file, click the Open button in the file picker to begin the upload. Next, let's confirm the imported symbols loaded correctly. Give the watchlist panel a moment to refresh as TradingView processes the file. After the refresh completes, you should see the imported symbols appear in the watchlist panel. The symbols you're looking for are ADBE, INTC, UBEAR, SHOP, and PIPEL. Take a quick look down the list to make sure all 5 tickers are present and accounted for. If they all show up, the import worked successfully. To verify everything is functioning as expected, click on one of the imported symbols, such as ADBE. When you click it, the main chart area should switch over to display that ticker's price chart. This confirms not only that the symbols were added, but that they are fully interactive and connected to the charting system. The TradingView watchlist panel now includes all the symbols from the uploaded text file. Clicking any imported ticker opens its corresponding chart, which confirms that the watchlist import worked from start to finish. You now have your custom list of symbols ready to monitor and analyze inside TradingView. Congratulations, you successfully imported a watchlist into TradingView.